Hello there, my name is Carlos Arteaga from Cisco TAC. Today, I will show you how to configure a network object on Cisco Secure Firewall Device Manager using REST API. This may be used for cases in which large quantities of data need to be configured, or for automation purposes. Please note that this can be done from either the API Explorer or using a Python script. For this example, we have a FTD managed by FDM in version 7.2.5, and we'll use the API Explorer to insert the following objects. A host named Cisco Host, which has an IP address of 10.8.4.50, and a network named Cisco Network, which has a subnet of 10.8.4.0/24. In order to start, we need to access our FDM API Explorer. To do so, web browser access is required the same way as usual. Log in with the credentials. Navigate to the top right and click on the three dots, then on the API Explorer option. In this case, we need to look for the network object group. Then, for the host creation, we need to head for the network's post option. Click on the post option to expand it. I will take a copy of the example value so it can be modified with any text editor to fit the requirements. Please note that not all fields are required for post operations. After that, we need to replace the body parameter with the modified code. Scroll down to the Try It Out button and click on it. The successful post can be verified with a server response 200, which means that the operation was successfully accepted. Now, with the host created, let's proceed with the required network. On the same network's post option, let's replace the body parameter once more with the required code. Proceed to click on the Try It Out button. Then, validate that the server response returned a 200 code again. To validate that objects were created, we can close this tab and go back to the usual FDM GUI. Navigate to the Objects tab and Networks menu. Here we can see that the network objects were successfully created and can be used. This completes the desired configuration for this video. Feel free to contact Cisco support if any additional information is required. Thank you for watching.